Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 286 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is the warmth within. As the air grows cooler, this practice invites you to connect with the quiet warmth that lives inside you. A reminder that peace and comfort are always within reach. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel the air move through you, calm, grounding, and gentle. Now, imagine a soft, golden light glowing at the center of your chest. With every inhale, it grows warmer, and with every exhale, it expands, wrapping you in calm and safety. Now, say to yourself, I am safe in my stillness. The warmth within me restores my peace. And I am calm, grounded, and whole. Let this warmth hold you, and let it remind you that even as the world cools and changes, you carry your own steady light. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this warmth with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.
Corte.